Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the create cutout sticker not showing on your Instagram. So if you cannot find this cutout features on your Instagram, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can fix it and make the sticker show up again on your Instagram app. So let's just jump right in. The first step that you can do is to update your Instagram. So make sure your Instagram is fully updated. You can go to the Play Store or App Store, and then you can click on a search button and search for Instagram in here. And if you see update, then you can click on this update options. So the cutout sticker feature is still rolling out, so old version may not show it. So if you see the update options, you need to update the apps as soon as possible. Okay, my Instagram is still updating. And the next steps that you can do is to clear your Instagram cache. So this will refresh all the new features. You can just on your Android phone, you can just go to settings, scroll down until you find apps options, this one, then select Instagram storage, and then you can just tap on clear cache. And after that, you can just restart the application, so reopen it again and check if the cutout is now showing up. And the next steps, you can also check availability in your regions, because sometimes the feature isn't available yet. You can also use VPN if needed. And another quick fix is to just log out of your Instagram account, and you can just log back in after that. So that's pretty much all. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you, and hopefully you can now create cutout sticker. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. So I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.